to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I have a hot cocoa bar. I know you guys haven't seen me for a long time. What, 4 months, 5 months? I don't even know what it is, but hi. So I'm going to show you today my hot cocoa bar. It is Santa Claus inspired. So it's everything Santa Claus. I think you guys are going to love it. It's really fun. I know you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a close look at everything I have on my hot cocoa bar. Okay, so this is my hot cocoa bar for this year. I think it's really cute. A lot of Santa Claus. All right, so let's start here. This is Santa. It's a chalkboard. Actually, my sister bought this for me a long time ago. 10, 12 years? I don't even remember. So my kids wrote 5 days till Christmas. You can write anything. You can write Merry Christmas. But, you know, I want it to be something fun for them. Okay. So I have the straws here and stir sticks. I still have these from last year. And then over here, the candy canes and the Santa mug. And then I have the Santa cookie jar. I have some Santa mugs. Some more Santa mugs. And then right here I have the hot cocoa, and then this is like marshmallows and sprinkles. It's really cute. This is from Williams-Sonoma. And so is this Williams-Sonoma? I'll tell you whatever's from Williams-Sonoma. Anyway, this is where I put the milk. That's cute. That's from Hearth and Hand. That was last year, I believe. If you guys been here since last year, you'll remember that. Santa. Then I have a hot cocoa and cream candle. That's candles from Bath and Body Works. These cute little cookies are from Williams-Sonoma, and so are these marshmallows. Okay, then I have mini marshmallows. I have another Santa mug. Okay, so that's what I did this year. Kind of like simple little Santas, but it's everything you need, and I think it's really cute. And a lot of things I did get from Williams-Sonoma. So, oh, this is even from Williams-Sonoma, and even this apron is from Williams-Sonoma too. And these go with these pot holders. The hot cocoa bar I have right here, that's the calendar. That one I think I got from, I think this is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. These sprinkles I got from Target. These are more festive, and these are more for Christmas. Okay, so this is my hot cocoa bar for 2019. If you like my hot cocoa bar, give this a video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions of where everything came, or if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, and if you liked it, leave a comment down below. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing.